how to change third-party cookie settings in Google Chrome on Android. This tutorial shows you how to manage your cookie preferences in just a few steps. First, open the Chrome app on your Android device. After that, tap on the three dots at the top right of the screen. Let me show you. From there, tap on Settings. Scroll down and tap on Site Settings. At this point, tap on third-party cookies to open the cookie settings. In the next step, you'll see three options: allow third-party cookies and block all third-party cookies. From there, tap on whichever option suits your preference. Let me show you what each one does. At this stage, allow third-party cookies lets all websites track your activity across different sites for things like targeted ads and personalized content. Following this, block third-party cookies in incognito only blocks tracking when you're browsing in incognito mode, while allowing them in regular browsing. Once done, block all third-party cookies completely prevents websites from tracking your activity across different sites for maximum privacy. From here, if you want to allow cookies for a specific website, even when third-party cookies are blocked, tap on Add Site Exception and type in the website address and tap on Add to whitelist that site and allow its cookies even with third-party cookies blocked. Finally, once you've selected your preferred setting, go back and refresh any website you were browsing. The new cookie settings will take effect right away. And that's it. If this guide helped you change third-party cookie settings in Chrome, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.